Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to talk about a 8th generation Kaby Lake Intel processor series that was until now not really upgradable to Windows. Well, it was upgradable, but you wouldn't see it in Windows Update for Windows 11. And the problem that was with that is that there's a series of Kaby Lake drivers that were kind of unique design and were with Radeon VEGA GPUs on them and so on. What happened is that the drivers were not really good for Windows 11. So if you had one of these machines and didn't see Windows 11 and Windows Update and wondered why on an 8th generation processor, Intel processor, you couldn't see Windows 11, it's because the drivers were not compatible or were not optimized, as they say. So there are new drivers that were actually released and that are for that series of Kaby Lake Intel processors. So if you have a machine that was not offered Windows 11 and wish to move on, and you had those Kaby Lake 8th generation Intel processors with VEGA GPU drivers, there's an update now that Intel has pushed. Intel had actually mentioned that they would support, even though it's discontinued for Intel, that they would support new drivers for Windows 11. And they are out now. So if you are in one of those situations and want to check it out, these were very unique mix of GPUs from Radeon, from AMD actually, and Intel processors, and were actually kind of groundbreaking because the GPUs were actually had more performance than what Intel did on its own. So these were discontinued in 2019, but of course, since the minimum requirement is 8th generation, of course, some of you wanted probably to go up to Windows 11 with that. So now, after you update with these drivers, you should be actually able to move on to Windows 11 and enjoy the new operating system. Actually, you probably should see this on your Windows Update after you update your drivers for that series of processors. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.